everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking asparagus, and I have some quick ideas for you in ways to use asparagus, and hopefully this will help you out. When you're cooking asparagus, it does cook up pretty quickly and easily, so try removing it from the heat about a minute or so before you think it's done. You know, when you test it out, it's just not quite done. Go ahead and take it off the heat. The residual heat that is in there already will finish cooking it up. So it will continue to cook after you take it off the heat. So if you take it off a little bit early, by the time you go to eat it, it should be absolutely just right to your liking. How about taking cooked cold asparagus and adding it to your favorite tossed salad? That would be a nice vegetable addition to your salad. If you have some cooked asparagus, or maybe even not cooked, how about adding it to your favorite omelet for breakfast? That goes really well together. It will be a nice addition to an omelet. How about taking some cooked asparagus and adding it to a pasta dish? Dress it up with some olive oil and some of your favorite herbs and sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. That sounds really good. You could saute asparagus with garlic, onions, mushrooms, and for protein, some beans, tofu, or chicken would be good in there. Serve that over a bed of rice and you have a really easy, quick meal. How about cooking asparagus in your favorite way, whatever that is, and then topping it with a little bit of your favorite vinaigrette dressing. It goes well with oil and vinegar, or something along those lines with herbs in there as well. So that would be an easy thing to do and a way to dress up the asparagus. How about marinating asparagus in teriyaki sauce? Give it a little sweetness there. And then grill it and sprinkle it with some toasted sesame seeds. That sounds really good, okay? So I hope that these quick ideas help you out and give you something different that you can do with asparagus. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.